guys, my name's Andreas. I'm working for Logosol at the headquarters in Härnösand, Sweden. This is one of hopefully many instructional videos that we will produce and publish during 2019. Now we're going to look at how to change your saw blade on the B751 and the B1001 Band Sawmills from Logosol. And we'll start to be able to open the lid, so we'll push the adjustable blade guide all the way in. We'll release the straps on either side and the lock mechanism in the middle. Release the blade tensioning in all the way, so it's really easy to take the old blade out. Now when we remove the old blade, we're going to put a new fresh blade on, and because we loosened the blade tensioning before, it's real easy to just put the blade on the wheels, tighten it up slowly, first a little bit, turn the wheels by hand, and then tighten it up fully. Use the orange indicator and align it with the band tensioning arrows just there. And when we fully tighten, turn the wheels by hand. And now lid is closed, the band is in position, and we're good to go.